So this is the peak of Santa Maria. It's an inactive volcano in Guatemala. I don't know if it was extremely difficult because of how out of shape I am, or if it's actually really difficult. Probably because I'm out of shape. Med school tends to do that to you. Oh gosh. There's pretty steep climb. Took about 3 to 4 hours, maybe 3.5. My legs are burning. Got some locals in the background singing, praying, and yeah, pretty soon I'm going to show some volcanoes in the background. There's a lot of volcanoes in the area. One of them, which is prohibited to climb, is constantly erupting. I think like maybe 6 times a day.